So today me and Melissa are in Beverly Hills and we're gonna get eyebrows done. I need like, look at this, like a serious trim.
Oh, you do need a trim.
I told you, like what is going on? So I'm gonna trim them, and if I can vlog during it and like hold it up and show you guys what I asked for, because you guys always ask, because I actually don't color in my eyebrows that much. A lot of times I just like clear brow gel and I'll just like color in like right here just to make them look more even. But yeah, I'd like to go to Anastasia Beverly Hills, so it's right over there. And then we're gonna get like coffee, just have a chill day. The Carly palette.
Very pretty.
All the Jersey girls.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just vlogging a little. Just her.
Okay. You can do before and after if you'd like, but nothing during.
Okay.
This is the before. Okay. I love how they look. Hi guys, so I just got back from getting my eyebrows done, and then we kind of walked around a little. I feel like they look so much better. I bet tomorrow they won't look like this though, because it's hard for me to, like, every time you leave Anastasia, they just like fix them up and like they don't color them in, but they add a little gel, and I just feel like they always look amazing after you leave. But anyway, we're gonna have a little lunch now. So one thing that has been so helpful, especially while having a guest at my house, is I actually got my Daily Harvest order. So a lot of you guys have seen Daily Harvest on my Instagram. I first tried this back in June, in the beginning of summer. Daily Harvest actually sent me some flavors to try, and then I was like, oh my gosh, can you send them again, like mid-summer? I really wanted to test out the product, and they have a lot of different things, so I wanted to test them all out, and I am seriously obsessed. As you guys know, I eat a mostly organic diet. They use organic ingredients in their products, and they just have a lot of fun things. Like this one is a smoothie. This is actually my favorite flavor. It's the mint and cacao. And then they also have this smoothie that's one of my favorites, banana and greens. And the best part is all of their flavors do have the ingredients on the side. So this one is the cauliflower and leek soup. And then this one is a Daily Harvest bowl. This is actually what we're gonna make now. So yeah, I'm so excited that this video is actually in collaboration with Daily Harvest. I was so excited when they wanted to work with me, just because I'm a huge fan of their product. And I just love the concept. I love that they come in cups like this, and you can have a smoothie all nice and ready for you. And it's exactly what it says on the side. Banana, cucumber, kale, spinach, lemon, and wheatgrass. All you have to do is take the ingredients, pour them into your blender with some milk, and that's it. And the same thing with the soups, the same thing with the Harvest Bowl. It'll help you get on the right track, and that's what I like about their philosophy. Daily Harvest has very similar philosophy about food that I do, and that is when you eat good food and take care of your body and eat things with superfoods in them and vitamins and minerals, that's when you start to feel good. And I love that that's their mission. They want you to feel good, starting with the inside out. And I also like that a lot of their smoothies have greens in them. So even though they taste really good, like the mint cacao is my favorite. It tastes like mint chocolate chip ice cream, but there's actually a full serving of spinach in this one. So you're still getting in your greens, your superfoods, so that you feel the best. So they're actually giving my subscribers a really good deal. You can go on their website, build your own box. So say you want to do a Harvest Bowl, you want to do a smoothie, you want to do a soup, you build your own box, and they're going to give you guys $25 off your first box. I will leave that link down below. Everything will be in my description box so that it's nice and easy for you guys. Okay, so this is the one we're making, and these are ingredients. We have Brussels sprouts, kale, carrot, almond, jalapeno, tamari, ginger, sesame, and lime. He knows I'm about to cook. Okay, buddy. So then when you're done making it, you can actually put it right back in the little cup, and it's perfect. Hello everyone. So good morning. I woke up a little bit ago, so I look tired. I need more coffee. It's a 2-cup coffee kind of day today. So today is a bunch of things. We're gonna clean, we're gonna be productive. I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes of 2 different design meetings I have today. As you guys know, I have a friend staying with me, Melissa, and whenever I have people staying with me, we just like veg out on the couch. We watch movies, TV shows, and lay in our robes and just have a really good time. But this is what I let happen to the living room. My socks are there. PJs, a random purse, my earrings, because you know when you're watching TV and you're like, you know what, I'm just gonna take off my jewelry. Sissy D's like, what? Fix the cushions. We went to a Too Faced event and they gave us mascara, and they gave us pajamas. So yeah, the house, we got some packages here. I do have to take down the Halloween stuff, but I'm just gonna leave some of it up. Like I think I'm gonna keep this because this is kind of November. I'm gonna be in cozy clothes today. This is an old sweatshirt. I think this is from Forever 21. We're gonna try to clean this place up. Look at Wyatt. I love how there's eye makeup remover there.
Why is that there? She's gonna clean me up today too, because I'm not.
You're not though. Like literally, what have I done here? Don't get me started on the kitchen, guys. So we've got some wine. I think that was actually rosé. And yeah, so we just have to spruce this place up. Especially because I'm having 2 design meetings today. I just want to feel organized, you know what I mean? Like I'll be really organized with work and rebranding and all of that, but I just want my home life to be organized too, because then I feel really organized. So it's 7:15 right now, and I'd like to have all this done by 9, if we can do that. Living room. Hey buddy. Hi sissy. You gonna sit with Wyatt? I love when they sit together. My dog can easily walk through there. That's actually Sissy D's spot, but there's no, hi honey. There's no boxes there anymore. So we did that.
A vlog and blog in 2020. I didn't have a lot of anxiety growing up though. Isn't that odd? Like,
I just want to interrupt this for a second to let you guys know as I'm doing the dishes and cleaning, I am listening to the Skinny Confidential podcast. It's one of my favorite ones. They do a lot of interviews and I just love hearing people's stories. Like I get pumped up about my own and I get branding ideas and definitely lots of inspiration. When you are cleaning and doing something, you can still be working your mind and listening to something, and then one, the cleaning goes by like that. Then the second thing is I feel like it's taking, I don't want to say meditation, it's not my meditation for the day, but it's a little bit bettering myself, taking myself to the next level, taking my business to the next level when I'm listening to something productive like a podcast. Before I would listen to music, and I think if that works for you and that gets you in the zone, that's great. But I feel like this, I learned something from each episode, no matter what podcast I'm listening to. Sometimes I listen to a law of attraction podcast. If you're driving or if you're doing a chore like this, you can still be learning something and helping you better yourself.
just do something the next day that's hard, you know? Yes. And so how long from when?
I have my call soon. Jenna's gonna call me at 11:30 and It's 11:27, so I just want to set up. Whenever I have design calls, I like to have a water by me. I like to have my computer. That way we can share things as we're talking. Notes is also open. Just like to be as prepared as possible. I think this is good if you're thinking about changing your website or logo or starting a business. Just have everything ready. I've gone on calls with people and I could tell they were like, not scatterbrained, but the minute we started the call, they're like, okay, let me log into my computer, let me turn it on. And it's kind of a waste of both people's time and it's not as respectful. Do you know what I mean, guys? I like when people are like, I'm ready to go, I've got this. I just thought the name was really cool, so I clicked on your Instagram and I was like, oh my gosh, this girl is so my aesthetic.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I'll give you a start date, and then yeah, you'll have your client homework, you'll fill that out for me, and then yeah, from there we would like launch into the project.
Oh, awesome. This is the fun part, right?
Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, totally. Get excited.
Yes.
And then yeah, I'll be talking to you soon.
Okay, thank you, Jenna.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, so I have not had a second to breathe. After I got off the phone with the web designer, then I talked to my wedding planner, and then we had to get my mom on the phone, and it was just like so long. And then from there we got the caterer on the phone. So I feel like I have not had a second to eat. My stomach, I'm so hungry. I'm ready for my morning smoothie, but I just feel so productive. Like, I'm that person that even schedules when I'm eating, when I'm having a really busy day. I always like to schedule things. I schedule my dog walks, which I don't like to say out loud or else they'll go crazy. But yeah, just so that I can fit everything in a day. I only do these on like super productive days when I have time crunches. For example, my friend Melissa is staying here and she's actually meeting with her YouTube management today. So I'm using that time to kind of film and get the house cleaned. And then when she comes back, she wants me to be in one of her vlogs and we're gonna talk a little bit about our weddings. I'm gonna make my all-time favorite smoothie. I've tried recreating this smoothie. I've tried ordering this at different health food spots. This is the best smoothie. Daily Harvest has really perfected this one. Mint and cacao. Smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream. Like, it smells so good. If you like mint chocolate chip ice cream, you will love this because the cacao that they add in it is like little chips. So you actually feel like you're tasting mint chocolate chip ice cream, like you're getting that crunch. So what I like to do is add the milk right in here and then pour it right into your blender. Don't mind my obnoxiously long smoothie straws. These are the only ones that I have that are good for smoothies because they're really wide and I can sip up those cacao chips, but it's seriously delicious. Look at Wyatt, how good.
Wants to be in the video.
And
the funniest was the other day.
That vlog went up and some people were laughing at Wyatt with the shoe.
Oh, that's the one that went up?
Yeah,
oh,
that
I gotta watch. That was funny.
And Jared playing the trumpet. That hit.
Wait,
that made it in there. Yeah.
Let it all hang out.
Beep, 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 beep.
Wait, I think this, the lighting looks better.
Yeah, that lighting's a lot better.
That's good, right?
Yeah, look at you. You're all like, no pores.
Don't look at me up close.
I could open up that
You
one.
don't have makeup on?
No.
You look so great.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to drink this because I keep chewing, but we're having matcha boba lattes with oat milk.
What up, though?
Give me that coffee dough. This is the best part of my day. I probably don't look cute right now because it's a little early, but
Throw a filter on it.
throw a filter on it. But last night we ended up finishing the Shane Dawson series on Jeffree Star, and that got us so motivated. We got so excited watching that. So I'm gonna go. Thank you all for watching today's video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.